Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable Opera.js built-in VPN. It's quite simple. From the home menu, as you can see, I'm using the VPN right now. If you look at it, you see this icon here. It means I'm using the VPN. So click on the Opera.js icon at the top left corner and click on settings to open up your settings. You can also use alternate and P, which are the keyboard shortcuts together. You can also use the sidebar and click on get icon to get here. So once you're here, click on privacy and security, scroll all the way down until you see advanced, click on advanced, and then scroll down until you see VPN, and you can see now it's enabled for me. So what you can also disable yours by turning this off. If you want to enable, you can enable it. Once you enable it, to connect to servers around the world, so connection speed and some pages or services might be affected. Then you can also decide to edit it by turning this on to connect the VPN when starting browser, enable the default searches and the rest of them. You can also mine additional VPN bypass rules by clicking on this. So hope you find it helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.